And maybe I could take my walls down, and I could risk it all now.
Hello guys, welcome to this channel. So as you guys saw on the thumbnail, we're gonna have today a makeup tutorial, very black, very dark, for this fall. But before starting this video, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so YouTube can notify you when I upload a video. And without any further ado, let's get started. So right now I'm doing my eyebrows with the NYX Fill and Fluff, and I'm gonna start by doing the eyes first, and then I'm gonna move on with the foundation because I'm going to use very dark colors for this makeup. I don't know how the fallout is gonna be, and I don't want to make any mistake with the fallout and then the foundation and everything. So I'm gonna do the eyes first. That's why I'm doing the eyebrows. Okay, so for the transition color, I think I'm gonna go with this shade over here, which is called Love It. It's from the Morphe Everyday Chic palette. I'm just gonna grab the color and apply it on the crease just underneath my eyebrows, really close to my eyebrows, and blend that color. So now moving on to the dark colors, it's gonna be a very simple look. So I'm gonna get the shade, still with the, we're still on the same palette with Morphe, so I'm gonna get the color black, which is called Heels On. We're gonna start blending on a circular motion. So just want to get really the black, like a really dark black on this part of the eye, and then slowly start blending the color. Still black, but I want it to be more intense in this part of the eye. I'm just going to start bringing the color on this part of the eye, in the middle of the crease, and start blending the color. We're gonna do the same thing on this side of the eye. Just start working the black in a circular motion. Again, I'm bringing the black all the way kind of a little bit to the middle of my crease, and then we're just gonna work the black. I'm just going to clean the lid because we're going to do a cut crease. So just with a wipey, I'm cleaning just the part where we're gonna do the cut crease. I'm gonna apply some concealer, and I'm gonna use the Maybelline concealer to do the cut crease. I don't know why, but I felt like to do my nails black. Literally just did my nails before starting this video, and it dried really quickly. The nail polish, and it has some glitter. I don't know, I'm really into black nails right now, and it always happens during the month of October. I think it's because of Halloween, but yeah, I really wanted to do my nails black. Now, so for the other color, we're going to use the NIKKIETUTORIALS X BEAUTYBAY palette, and I'm going to get the shade Slasher. It's a beautiful burgundy color. So with a flat brush, I'm going to apply Slasher with a cut crease. So I really love this color, especially on clothes. For fall, I think it's super pretty. I feel like you can't miss this color for fall. Like, it's a must. And if you have this on the eyes, if you guys didn't see the video where we opened the NIKKIETUTORIALS palette in Beauty Bay, I'll leave the link down below if you guys didn't see that video, because we did 3 different looks with this palette in 3 different languages, so if you don't speak that language, it's fine, just watch it, because we did 3 different looks with that palette. I'll leave the link down below if you guys missed that video or if you're new. I'm gonna take the black color on top of Slasher just to blend those 2 colors. And right now I'm going to apply the creamy concealer from Maybelline to just have a little bit more coverage. I'll put this underneath the eyes. Oh, I'm just going to blend this with my fingers. I'm going to apply the Maybelline foundation. Because the Maybelline foundation, it's too light for my skin tone, I'm going to use the Morphe 2 Hint Skin Tint. It's in the shade Hint of Honey. Drops over here. And then just start blending. While we wait for the lashes to dry, I'm gonna go and use the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. You guys know I am in love with this concealer. We're just going to blend the concealer. Just put the excess, I mean not the excess, but the rest of the contour on my forehead and on this part of the face. I'm now going to add blush on the face. I really like for the fall makeup to be without blush. This is very personal, but if you guys want to add some blush on your cheeks, you can, but I won't do it for this makeup. I don't do it, I mean, I pretty do this often without blush, the makeup, but yes, there are some other times that I like to put some blush, but especially for this makeup, I don't want blush, so we'll just leave it like that with the contour. I'm going to continue with the eyes. Underneath the eyes, I'm going to use again Heels On, the black color from Morphe. I'm going to get again Slasher and apply this on top of the black. Y voy a agarrar otra vez Slasher y lo voy a poner encima del color negro. Et j'ai pris une autre fois la couleur Slasher et je l'ai pris sur la couleur noire Heels On et on va seulement le difuminer. Mejor no lo hagas, mami. Sí, no, mejor no lo hagas, yo lo voy a hacer. Sí, porque no. We're just gonna get some mascara. I'm using the L'Oreal that has collagen, and just to combine my lashes with the falsies. Now we're gonna move on with the lower lashes. So I'm gonna use the new L'Oreal Air Volume Mega Mascara. We tried this mascara and open it and everything. We did that on the video, so leave the link down below if you guys didn't see that video, but really like the packaging. For the setting spray, I'm going to use the Milani Fruit Fetish Make It Last in the scent Mango Coconut. I'm going to highlight the face. I'm going to use the color Cliché from Urban Decay Afterglow palette. For the lips, I'm going to use the NYX Butter lipstick in the color Root Beer Float. Because I want to add some gloss on the lips, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Gold Mirage Crush Quartz. Just in the middle of the lips. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Everything was black today. Black sweater, black nails, a black eyeshadow. I really like how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Again, don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up if you enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and don't forget that in the month of October we have 3 videos each week, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.